Alright, guys, we will start from sketching a composition in pencil. It is very important, especially when painting still life, to keep proportions right and composition balance. So don't put too much pressure on your pencil to avoid bold strokes, as it will be too hard to cover them with watercolor later. This sketch is more a guide rather than a target. Keep the strokes light and simple, and much of them will disappear into painting anyway. So let's build up a pyramid of our macaron. Well, sorry for my pronunciation, I'm not really good at French. Well, yeah, so let's build up a pyramid using simple oval shapes. Try to use eraser as less as possible, as it can significantly damage the paper texture and affect the way paint is laid out. There's no need to go through much details, just outline the main spots where cream shows up. This area will help us remember to keep it lighter than the rest of the painting. Oh, by the way, did you know that French confection has actually been produced in the Venetian monasteries since the 8th century? So there are actually two methods to making the macaron: the French method and the Italian method. Let's play around and add some fruits. Let's say this peach macaron is made of strawberry, the middle one banana, and the bottom, well, from blueberries.